The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washara County until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Plainfield, or 8 miles west of Wautoma, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wautoma, Berlin, Red Granite, Plainfield, Silver Lake, Pine River, Dakota, Mount Morris, Saxville, and Wild Rose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 o'clock p.m. for the following county: Washara, Wisconsin. The following is a severe weather bulletin.